cookie, love cookie, love cookie. We're gonna fly a kite today. We hope it goes high in that beautiful sky. My dad's gonna go ahead and put the kite in the air, and I'm gonna fly it. Watch it. Okay, guys, watch. Look how high it's gonna go. Okay, Daddy, I'll run. Look how high it is going. Look how high it is.
Don't let it get too close to the tree. There's so much tree now.
Daddy! It looks like a bird. It's coming down. Daddy?
Hey, pass me the camera and the kite. Oh, well, here, try it without it first. You got to bring it over here, and you got to tell your audience what we're going to do.
So I ran to my bike basket.
Okay, so hold this.
This isn't as high as I can go.
Oh, I thought it was. I thought it was. It stopped, so I just figured that was it. No, even higher.
Whoa! Look at how high that is.
All right, that's as high as it can go. So we'll wrap.
Yes.
We'll wrap this camera in
That's fine.
around it. Yeah. So you stand right here. Okay. Yep. Now you hold the kite and camera. And now tell your audience what we're gonna do. Oh, look, the tree just fell down. Oh, they're cutting it down. You see that? Okay, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna put that onto our kite all the way up there. So I'm gonna land the kite, which is very hard. Come on, get down, lay our kite. I'm trying to make it. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, watch. My dad's gonna grab the kite and put.
Okay, you stop walking. You keep going.
Okay.
Gotta keep the string tight, so keep back. You stay where we started. Grab the blue ball, around, and go to the green. Yes, 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 yes. Woo!
Yeah.
All right. Roller skates? All right. Good stuff.
Just watch him. He'll do great.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah. Watch him. He's gonna put the kite there. See it? Come on. Let it fly. Let it fly. It's going. It's going. It's in the sky.
I didn't think that was gonna work.
She's still there. See her?
Okay, so okay, look. You're walking away. You don't have to keep walking. See, so look, we're all the way over here now, so we just have to walk back. As long as we keep it tight.
Okay.
And I'll just slow.
All I'm doing is hold the cam. Okay. I'm gonna land it.
I think we need to talk to your audience and see if they think.
So guys, if you're not scared of heights, you're gonna go on that kite. Right up there.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to stay. Okay, I'll take that. You're gonna have to stay here with this.
Give me the kite.
Okay, you hold this. Hold the hard part of the string right there. Okay. Actually, I only have to take off the GoPro, so.
I'm landing the kite.
No, you don't need. Yeah, I guess you do need to. All right, I can hook this on the rope, on the connector. Oh wait, remember, you don't get a bunch of loose rope. Slowly walk over.
All I'm doing is hold the camera. See? Look. All I'm doing is holding the camera.
Just the camera, that's it?
Yeah, look.
You're not even flying a kite?
I am.
Pretty awesome, hey? That took it up real easy. So, I guess my next question, will the kite hold the GoPro up in the air? Here we go. Better not forget Pinky. It's a lot heavier, I don't know. Wait for some wind. I'm waiting for a blast of wind. A lot of loops in here.
Okay. Did you even stop the recording?
No, it's still recording.
Why?
I don't know.
Bye. Bye, everyone. Love Cookie. Love Cookie. Love Cookie.